Hello everyone, in this video we discussed all important questions for interview in topic of constructor in Java. First question is, what is constructor and its requirements? Solution: constructor is a special type of method that is used to initialize the state of an object. Constructor is invoked at the time of object creation. Second number question is, types of constructor in Java. Solution: there are two types of constructors. First is default constructor, no argument constructor. Second is parameterized constructor. Third number question is, what are the rules for defining a constructor? Solution: constructor must have the same name as the class. Fourth number question is, what are the difference between method and constructor? Solution: first point, constructor doesn't return any value where the method may or may not return a value. Second point, in case of constructor is not present, a default constructor is provided by Java compiler. In the case of a method, no default method is provided. Third point is, constructor is used to initialize an object whereas method is used to exhibit functionality of an object. 5 number question is, difference way to call a constructor in Java. Solution: constructor can be called by three different ways. First is new keyword, second this keyword, and third super keyword. 6 number question is, what happens if you keep a return type for a constructor? Solution: constructor do not have a return type. If return type is specified, then it is behaves like a method. 7 number question is, how a no argument constructor is different from default constructor? Solution: constructor without argument is no argument constructor and it is designed by user explicitly, whereas the constructor implicitly provided by Java compiler is default constructor. SS specifier of no argument constructor decided by programmer, whereas the SS specifier of default constructor is same with the SS specifier of class. 8 number question is, what is constructor overloading? Solution: more than one constructor within a class with different argument is known as constructor overloading. 9 number question is, what is reference and object? Solution: a reference is a variable which refers to the base address of an object. Object is the physical existence of class. An object has a state and behavior. The state of an object is stored in field variables, while method functions display the object behavior. 10 number question is, what is the use of reference? Solution: a reference is an address that indicates where an object's variable and methods are stored. Reference is used to reuse the object memory. 11 number question is, what are the types of reference? Solution: first point, strong reference. Second, weak. Third, phantom reference. And fourth, soft reference. 12th number question is, what is the strong reference? What is strong reference? Solution is, this type of reference we use daily while writing the code. Any object which has an active strong reference are not eligible for garbage collection. The object is garbage collected only when the variable which has strongly referred points to null. Test equal to new test. Here T is a strong reference. T equal to null. Here reference T is pointing to null, so eligible for a garbage collection. 13 number question is, what is a weak reference? Solution: a weak reference objects are not the default type class of reference object and they should be explicitly specified while using them. These types of reference is called weak hash map to reference the entire objects. If JVM detects an object with only weak reference, Like example, no strong or soft reference linked to any object. This object will be marked for garbage collection. To create such reference, java.lang.ref.weak reference class is used. These references are used in real-time application while establishing a DB collection which might be cleaned up the garbage collector when the application using the database get closed. 14 number question is, what is the phantom reference? Solution: similar to weak reference except the garbage collector doesn't actually reclaim the referent, more flexible alternative for finalization. 15 number question is, what is soft reference? A soft reference is like a weak reference, but it is less likely to a garbage collected. Soft references are cleaned at the discretion of the garbage collector in response to memory demand. The virtual machine guarantees that all soft references to softly reachable object will have been cleaned before it could ever throw an out of memory error. In soft reference, even if the object is free for garbage collection, then also it's not garbage collected until JVM is in need to memory badly. The objects get cleaned from the memory when JVM runs out of memory. To create such a reference, java.lang.ref.softReference class is used. 16 number question is, what is difference between static and non-static reference? Solution is, if the reference is declared with a static keyword, like example known as static reference, and it creates a single copy of entire class. If the reference is declared without a static keyword, like example known as non-static reference, and it creates different copy for different object. 17 number question is, what is the default value of reference? Solution: the default value of reference is null. 18 number question is, what is an object and how do you allocate memory to it? Solution: object is the collection of reference set of bytes. In Java, all objects are dynamically allocated on heap. To allocate memory to an object, we must use new, so the object is always allocates memory on heap. 19 number question is, what is the default size of object in Java? Solution: default size of object in Java is 16 bytes. 20 number question is, what is object header? Solution: the object header consists of mark word and a class pointer. The mark word has word size 4 bytes on 30 byte architectures, 8 bytes on 64 byte architectures, and the class pointer has word size on 32 byte architectures. On 64 bytes architectures, the class pointer either has word size but can also have 4 bytes if the heap address can be encoded in these 4 bytes. 21 question. What is class loader? Solution: the Java class loader is a part of the class runtime environment that dynamically loads Java classes into a Java virtual machine. 22 number question is, what is object linking? Solution is, linking between two objects is known as object linking. When the types of an instance variable is given by a class or interface name, the variable can hold a reference to another object. 23 number question is, what is copy constructor? Solution: when a programmer wants to create a separate copy of an existing object so that subsequent changes to the copy should not alter the original or vice versa. This is made possible using the copy constructor. 24 number question is, what is factory method? Solution. When return type of method is a class name is known as factory method. 25 number question is what is singleton class? Solution. Singleton pattern says that just define a class that has only one instance and provides a global point of access to it. 26 number question is what is private constructor? Solution. If the constructor is declared with private modifier, then it is known as private constructor. 27 number question is define the uses of default and parameterized constructor in Java. Solution. Default constructor is used to initialize your object with default or initial values. Parameterized constructor is used to initialize distinct value to different object. 28 number question is which class should you use to obtain design information about an object? Solution. The java.lang.class is used to obtain information about an object's design information about an object. 29 number question is can constructor be inherited? Solution. In Java, constructor can't be inherited. 30 number question is do we have D structures in Java? Solution. Java doesn't support D structure because Java is a garbage collected language. You cannot predict when or even if an object will be destroyed. We completed all important questions in this topic. Thank you.